Hello everyone, today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 283, move zeros. Given an integer array nums, move all zero to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zeros element. So we have to maintain the order of non-zeros element. Okay. Note that you must do this in place without making copy of the array. So we are given a nums, and after performing this task it will become like this. So let's first do it using two pointers approach. We need a pointer, and let's take its name as L0, which will be last index of 0. I will assign it to 0. Okay, and we'll run a loop if we get a non-zero element. So we will move it. Okay. Okay. For I in nums, and if I not equals to 0, it is not equals to 0, then we will do nums box of L0 plus plus L sorry equals to I, and we will do L0 plus plus. Okay, so first the both pointer will be here, and then when I will be 1, then nums of 0 will be assigned here. So basically what I'm saying is, so when I is equals to 1, when I is equals to 1, then j value is, j is pointing to here, this place, and it is I is non-zero, so we will assign num box of 0, nums box of 0 with I. So it will become, now array will become box, box of 1 comma 1, and this will be 0 comma 3 comma 12. So it will become, now array will become like this, and I value will be, sorry, j equals to 1 now, and I equals to 0 for next iteration. Again it will be, I value will become 3, then we will move 3 here, this place. Now it will become, j will become 2, and I will become 12. Now we will move 12 here. Okay, so j will become 3, and a loop will end. So after, from j we need to make all the values to 0, like from 3 to 4. Okay, so this is done. So now I need to make L0 less than nums dot size L0 plus plus and nums box of L0 equals to 0. Now let's check it. Okay, let's submit it. Okay, it got accepted. Now what we have follow up here, could you minimize the total number of operation done? Okay, so if we want to minimize it, okay, one more thing we can do, we can perform a swap here instead of doing this swap. Okay, we are getting something wrong. Okay, because when we are performing swap, for example, this with this, then L1, and this run. Okay, one thing more, we are something missing. I is 0. Okay, my mistake. You write it wrong. Nums box of I. Now let's check it. Okay, submit. Now let's analyze its time complexity. So basically we are running till the size. So the time complexity is O of n, and space complexity, it is O of 1, as we are modifying the same array. That's all everyone. Thank you.